Aren't you gonna say hello? Anyways, on my other channel, I picked this up. I didn't really show I picked it up, but I just talked about it. I got it from a gun show, and there's a where that could got fit over there. Anyways, picked this up at a gun show for my dad, about $200. One concern is that I don't have keys for this, but I did come across that I think somebody already played with it, so you don't need keys. So you just, yeah, open that up, boom. Crazy Russian hacker, boom. Back this up quick. Anyways, I found out that this box, this coin box that's in here, is not actually for this setup, because it goes to an old, newer style. And then this block here is, what does it say? Northern Electric Company Limited, made in Canada. Well, besides that, I can probably take that apart and see if we can get a key for it. I don't think so. Coin return. This coin box. Okay, let me do this. There's a different type of style that you have to put this in. Anyways, just for the demonstration of this little video, take this lid off. Because on this you have to engage that and move this bolt forward, and then once you take it out, this retracts so you can't open it again. Anyways, the box had money in it, nothing old, like a 73, 80, most modern coin. The only cool thing about this is the little chimes or gongs that are for, let's see if we can hear. If you hear that other bell, that's my wind chime outside. Let me put it closer. That's a quarter. That's a quarter. I guess that's what the operator would want to hear at the other side to see if you actually inserted your coinage. Okay, here's a nickel. Here's a dime. Hits that same bell twice. Here it goes again. Cool. Alright, I'm a bit long for this video, but this is a, what was it? Between a 1950 style 3-slot payphone, and it was 1966 Northern Electric. I guess that's probably what the guts are. But it is wired up to be a landline, for a landline at the house. Well, anyways, thank you all for watching, checking this out. And have a good day.